Appreciate that. Have you finished it?
Yeah, I finished it yesterday. I think so, at least. I don't know. Maybe we'll see.
I totally get that.
There's so many instructions, so a lot of times I have to read it like 5 different times before I can get everything.
Absolutely, I agree. I say we wait a couple more minutes, then quickly go through our meeting, and if they miss it, they miss it.
That's cool with me. Yeah, no problem. Well, do you want me to see if I can help you with whatever you're doing?
Yeah, it's the insurance plan. For the life of me, I can't get it to work.
Oh, just getting it to a number?
Yeah.
I just did a lookup table.
Okay.
And that's, I mean, I assumed that was good enough, but I don't know, hope so.
I would think so, but given the fact that I'm sick, I can't for the life of me figure out anything right now.
Yeah. So just on that data sheet, I just made a quick table, and then just did VLOOKUP. So it only took a couple seconds.
Okay, then I will go ahead and get that done.
And actually, the one question that I did have, I have it done, but I didn't know if I did it right. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, for the years worked, did you just minus today's date from the date they started working and then divide it by 365?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I didn't know if that would be the best way or not, but.
Hi, Brock.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
Do you have any questions? We're trying to make this like crazy quick if we can.
Yeah.
I haven't even started. I'm still at work.
Oh, really?
So I was like, well, I better at least check in so I can get credit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
where do you work?
We own a trucking company here in Idaho Falls now.
Oh, for what's it called?
Gale Store Transportation.
Oh, you guys own them?
Yeah, my mom said she dealt with you a couple weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Was it good or bad?
Well, I don't know if I should. I'm just kidding. No, it was good.
Oh, okay.
It was.
Yeah. I don't work in logistics anymore, so I might answer the phone every once in a while, but
I wouldn't want to work in logistics if I didn't have to.
The only reason why I did is because they offered me an internship to start, so that's why I did it. But that's cool. So yeah, I mean, we work with you guys a little bit.
Yeah. I went and picked up a load at Moody Creek today. So.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. Cool. What is it? A pretty easy assignment?
Hey guys, I'm sorry I'm late.
I felt like it was fairly simple.
Okay.
It didn't take me too long.
Good.
Did you guys complete the whole thing? Because I'm still working on it. I just started working like 30 minutes ago because I just got from work. I think I'm halfway through. Are you guys done with it?
I am almost done, but I am sick, so I'm not very in it today.
I was able to finish them.
Trey, can you share your screen to see what you got so far?
Yeah,
so we can compare, please.
I have to make it look better, but this is what I have so far.
It looks nice. How did you separate the last name and the first name? Like from text to columns, or did you use a formula?
I use a formula. So
which, yeah.
So let me see. First of all, I use the trim function to crunch them all together because some of the
Yeah,
names
because
had,
there's extra spaces.
yeah, some had 2 spaces, some had 1, so it just worked out easier to do it that way. And then
Yeah.
to do the, let me see. I used to have it separated out, so it would have been easier to show. But to do the last name, I use the left function, and then within the left function, I use the find function. And it will go until it finds the comma, and then it will go until it finds the comma, and then it will subtract 1, which will give you the amount of letters in each last name.
Well, I did that for. I'm sorry. I did that. Can you hear me? Yes.
Yeah, you're good.
I did that for the last name, but it didn't work for the first name. So what do you do for the first name?
All right, so the first name I did essentially the same thing, but I used the right function.
The right function instead of the left function.
Yeah, but you also, at least this is the way I did it, you also have to use the length or the len function to get the length of the entire, like to get the length of this value right here. So
okay,
it will find the amount of letters in all of these, and then it will go right until the comma, and then that's kind of how it works. So I'll show you the formula one more time.
yeah, so I can see it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a lot.
Yeah, it just looks like it because
lot.
I went from one sheet to another. So
yeah. Okay.
But for the first name, instead of subtracting 1, you'll see at the very end we had to add 1 to compensate for the comma.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch this recording again so I can see what you did with the RUT formula, like whenever we're done.
Okay.
Yeah. So the social security number, that was pretty easy. It was just a right formula, 4 digits, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
With the higher date, did you use a formula?
No,
with the higher date, just copy and paste it, or what?
Well, yeah, essentially.
Okay, so that's pretty easy.
Yep.
Yeah, I did that too. With the years, I did today's formula on sheet number 1, and yeah, exactly what you did.
Okay.
Exactly what you did. So I did that. Okay, and I divided for 365 days, and it ended up with the years worked. Very good. Okay, for the retirement plan, what do you use?
I just did an if function.
Yeah.
If function. Okay. Okay, pretty easy.
Yeah.
For the insurance plan,
I did a VLOOKUP table on the first sheet. So right here, that's pretty much it. Just try to make it easy.
yeah, but what do you do there? What do you do that little table?
Well, so because in the instructions it says that, employee only equals 1, employee plus spouse is 2. So
okay, yeah, I haven't got so far yet.
Oh, okay. So if you
that's where you get those numbers from.
Yeah, so if you make a table like that and then just in this sheet do a VLOOKUP, it works really easy. So.
That will be very easy. Yeah. Okay. So and you separated the city, states, and zip code according to what we saw in the video, right?
Yep.
With that lengthy formula, or how did you do that? How do you do the Rexburg?
How did I get Rexburg instead of Rigby?
Yeah, no, just I guess you just typed it. But how do you get to separate the city from the state and for the zip code at the same time?
Yeah. So I did text to columns in this spreadsheet. But there was an error, so you have to change all of Rigby to Rexburg first.
Okay, but I guess we were supposed to do the lengthy formula that the structure said in the first place in order to do this, because if you are going to have changes in the future, you're going to have to type that like one by one.
Oh, okay. Well, then I probably need to fix mine because I
Yeah.
didn't do it that way.
Yeah, because that's the purpose of this part of the exercise, is to add and maybe delete information according to the need of the moment, so we don't have to do it over and over again
Oh,
with the
okay.
formula.
So did you do this part already?
No, I haven't got that part yet.
Oh, okay. Well,
I actually did a text to column from the name and the last name, and that was pretty easy. But I said like, what? It shouldn't be that easy. Yeah, because if something changes, if maybe a new employer gets hired and we need to put it there, it's gonna be all a mess. You know what I mean?
yeah, okay.
So we need to do formula by formula,
Mm-hmm.
just like the example in the video, actually.
All right, cool.
Okay. And with the phone number, how do you do that? Oh.
So with the phone number, again, I don't know if I did it the best way, but I did another table so that Rexburg is to 208 and Colorado Springs is just 719.
Okay.
And then I used the concatenate function just to make it look better.
Yeah.
So just to make the parentheses in the space, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. Yours looks perfect though. Really nice. Yeah, the only thing is, I will say it's good to have it just like you do, like you have, but I don't know if it's gonna be a problem for you if you use text to columns from city, state, and zip code, and when you were not supposed to. I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. Yeah, but it looks so awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm halfway through. I haven't worked for the last like 4 columns. I haven't gotten that yet. What about you, Chris? Are you sick?
I am very sick, yes.
Oh, man.
So I sound fantastic.
Well, that's fine. What about you, Broke? Do you have the same like Trace does?
I was telling him I haven't even started yet. I'm still at work, so.
Okay. Yeah, well, so we have a really good start with what Trey had in the first place. So yeah, I just looked at the recording to see if I need anything, or I can just call you, Trey, and you can help me out.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Okay, so I'll go back working with mine, and I'll let you know whenever I'm done. Okay, or if I need anything. So can you, Chrissy, like share the link of these recordings so we can watch it again, please?
Yep, I will email it as soon as we finish the meeting.
There you go. And get better, please.
I
Don't
will
go
try.
outside. Bye. Have a good one. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Have a good night. See you.